Protesters, on Tuesday morning, gathered at the Ikeja Underbridge in Lagos State as the country marks the 2024 Independence Day. The protest was closely monitored by a large contingent of security personnel, including policemen, officials of the Lagos Neighbourhood Safety Corps, and Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps. Leading the team of policemen at the protest ground is the State Commissioner of Police, Olanrewaju Ishola. The protesters were chanting solidarity songs, displaying placards bearing inscriptions such as "Reverse Electricity Tariff Now," "End All Attacks on Democratic Rights," "Reduce Petrol Price to N1.97 per litre," "End Scarcity," and "Profit Soars While People Suffer." Spearheading the protest were some civil society groups, including the Take It Back movement, the Education Rights Campaign, the Coalition for Revolution, and the Socialist Workers League. The protest marks the second time in 2 months that angry Nigerians would hit the streets in disapproval of the hardship in the country. Tagged the hashtag #FearlessOctober1, the organizers said the demonstration was a continuation of the hashtag #EndBadgeViolence protest, which took place from August 1 to 10. They added that the latest demonstration was necessitated by the failure of the federal government to address their demands, which include hunger in the land, the rising cost of hunger, insecurity, government wastefulness, electoral reforms, and human capital development amongst others. At the Abuja end, police officers fired tear gas at protesters during the Fearless in October protest over bad governance in Abuja, Nigeria. The protesters had gathered at the Utako area in Abuja, the country's federal capital territory, FCT, waving the Nigerian green-white-green flag and banners with various inscriptions such as "End Bad Governance," "Diaspora Voting," "End High Living Costs," amongst others, but were dispersed by policemen. The October 1, 2024 protest, tagged "Fearless in October," was propagated on social media, some 2 months after the August hashtag #EndBadGovernance protests. The two demonstrations are synonymous in themes, as aggrieved young people demand a reversal of petrol subsidy removal and electricity tariff increase. Critics have faulted President Bola Tinubu's twin policies of petrol subsidy removal and unification of the foreign exchange rates, which many Nigerians believed were responsible for the unimaginable inflation and soaring living and energy costs in the country. Energy costs have more than tripled since Tinubu took up the reins of government on May 29, 2023. Petrol prices per litre jumped up from around N200 to over N1,000, whilst electricity tariff quadrupled, impacting the manufacturing sector and the pocket of Nigerian households. During the nation's 64th Independence Day anniversary broadcast on Tuesday, Tinubu pleaded for more patience and time, saying his administration is retooling its economic policies for the good of common Nigerians. The former Lagos governor sympathized with Nigerians over the economic hardship his reforms might have caused, whilst he assured them that his administration had been busy implementing measures to bring down the skyrocketing cost of living.